Hello guys, I'm in the Deutz Fahr 7250 TTV Warrior. The review I did it. If you haven't watched that, go and see it. I'm with Charlie, and we got a bale stacker thing, bale loader wagon on chaser to go and pick up some bales, and we might be able to go on the baler depending on where it is this afternoon as well. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah. There they are. There's the Farm 7720. Very nice, and a JCB telehandler and New Holland combine, which looks like they're doing what I did yesterday, servicing it.
Big strings in first.
Right, so we get in the 8-string bales first, guys. Let's bale with the big Crone big pack, and this is just like a runway, abandoned runway, which they use for development and stuff. There's a dog unit there.
She's gonna come in now. Sort you out.
Probably. There's the bales.
Right down.
And so it's just a fork that you drive along and pick up, basically. It's simple but complicated at the same time. Pretty much farming.
Yeah.
Whack the bale, make sure it's straight. The forks pick them up. Oh. These tram lines are awful. That is very bumpy, but it's not too bad.
I told you it would be bumpy.
No, I don't mind it. So what?
Oh, come on. These are well solid. Spikes don't want to go in.
Yeah. So we think there's something wrong with the chaser, but all the hydraulic valves are looking okay.
That'll be right now.
Alright, we fixed it.
I think your spool number 1 was on for some reason. I must have knocked it.
Oh right.
There we go. Look.
Yeah, easy. Just filming a little video here with the Deutz. Just going out to get some nice shots on the inside shots, the outside shots. Just a little stubble here. This is going to into oil seep rate. This is the Taylor's time. They've got a fast track. There might be some content of this soon, and they've got a 6455, I think. But yeah, you can see the ground is rock hard. There's cracks in the tram line. So yeah, this will need a rain before the oil seep rate comes along, because that's what it's going to. I'm actually standing on a bale to get this shot, so I'm actually really high up. It's gonna look sick.
Cone bales are slightly
Smaller.
No, slightly bigger actually.
Oh right.
Yeah.
What, than the Crone?
Yeah. Just it's not a lot, but it's just enough to like make a difference. And when you take the bales to the power station, they have to be level on the top of the lorry.
Oh yeah.
What's this geese doing?
No idea.
Waiting for me to feed.
Probably. Oh well. We're in a tractor, we're feeding the country, so we have right of way. Yeah, look where you're going, mate. In your Scania R500.
starts pulling out just as I start to move on. Shame though, because I was interested in a lot of stuff. They just never covered it really.
Is that at Harper Adams?
Oh no, I didn't go uni. That's university. I went to Charlotte College.
To do what?
It was like just down. But too much because it would blow up probably. But in general, yeah, partners.
Yeah. Needed like a. Yeah.
What? Messed about with.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been messy.
Okay.
When it was really hot the other day,
Yeah.
Steph got the baler ready, got it all right. Had a few things to do with it, spent pretty much all morning doing it.
Yeah.
Getting it ready, and then when it was like 7 o'clock.
This is like a crane, like docking place, I guess. I don't know. I think they build cranes here, and then obviously they transport them on lorries. And I'm saving up to try and buy a new phone, but I need like a job first, basically, because iPhone, like the brand new iPhone, is so expensive. So if anyone wants to take me on farming, comment down below. Obviously, as a job, but yeah, I'm happy with this phone. But ideally, I want the best camera, like an iPhone 13 Pro. So I've only got an iPhone XS at the moment, which is still a good camera, but you know, I want to get the best shots for you guys. They've missed a bit here. That's New Holland combines for you. Put some oil in here, so it's alright. The link arm's everything's quite dirty back there, Charlie. What's all this stuff? Like dust?
That's all dust from a track that I go down. It's all sort of limestone stuff.
It's the straw, nice and compacted. Actually, it's not nice and compacted. It's quite loose.
Charters.
Right, we're just going on to another field. Just in the other field now, just getting a few of these bales, and then we've got to go back through a bunch of roadworks and traffic lights, which is an absolute pain. So, just picking up these bales. The other way as well.
Yeah.
Steering's nice.
It gets quite hot.
So I should explain. These are videos, like informational videos, and I'll do angry, like with music and the other shots as well. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.